The real secret. A king sent a physician to the service of the messenger of Allah. What should be done to treat the Jamaat of your prophet, at the time of need? The physician was present in Medina for some time, but no one approached him for treatment. Hakeem, seeing this continuous idleness, finally requested the service of the prophet one day. God knows that Khaaksar has been present for such a long period of time only to serve the souls of his prophet. But no one paid attention to me during this period. Holy Prophet said, "This is the rule of these people. That is until hunger prevails. Do not touch the food. And now the stomach is not full that they raise their hands. So the chance of benefiting from your service is less." Hakeem said, "Indeed, this is the real secret of health. In spite of this, my presence is useless." After that Hakeem followed the manners and took the way to the homeland.